Roku streaming stick plus HD 4K HDR streaming device with long-range wireless and Roku voice remote with TV controls. Price was $44.99, now priced $29.99. Connectivity technology, built-in Wi-Fi. Brand Roku supported internet services Netflix, Prime Video, HBO, Hulu with Live TV, Apple TV, the Roku channel, Showtime and Google Play. Item weight 0.56 pounds. Memory storage capacity 15 AW. Item dimensions LXWXH 3.7 by 0.8 by 0.47 inches. Control method: voice controller type, remote control, voice control. Wireless that goes the distance. Basement, rec room, backyard, movie night, bring 'em on. The long-range wireless receiver gives you extended range and a stronger signal for smooth streaming even in rooms farther from your router. Brilliant picture quality. Experience your favorite shows with stunning detail and clarity. Whether you're streaming in HD, 4K, or HDR, you'll enjoy picture quality that's optimized for your TV with sharp resolution and vivid color. Tons of power, tons of fun, snappy and responsive. You'll stream your favorites with ease, from movies and series on Apple TV, Prime Video, and Netflix, to cable alternatives like Sling. Enjoy the most talked about TV across thousands of channels. No more juggling remotes. Power up your TV, adjust the volume, mute, and control your streaming all with one remote. Use your voice to quickly search across channels, turn captions on, and more in a touch. Setup is a cinch. Plug it in, connect to the internet, and start streaming. It's that simple. Private listening on mobile. Use the free Roku mobile app to pump up the volume on your shows without disturbing the house. Endless entertainment. Stream what you love, including free TV, live news, sports, and more. It's easy to stream what you love and cut back on cable bills with access to 500,000 plus movies and TV episodes across thousands of free and paid channels. Automatic software updates. Get the most up-to-date software, including all the latest features and available channels without even thinking about it. Works with popular voice assistants. Enjoy easy voice control with Siri, Alexa, or Hey Google. Share it with Apple AirPlay. Effortlessly share videos, photos, music, and more from your Apple devices to your TV. Check description for product URL. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.